What happens if you forget to put assets inside of a revocable trust? Those assets will have to go through the probate process, and how they get distributed will depend on whether or not you have a will. So you set up a revocable trust, you put your assets in there to avoid probate, you forget to put an asset in there, or you buy more assets and forget to put those in there. The assets in your personal name will go through probate, and then if you have a will, those assets will be distributed per your will. If you do not have a will, they would be distributed per the intestate laws. As an example, in Georgia, the intestate laws say that your assets will be split evenly between your kids and your spouse, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3. And so if you want to avoid those assets being distributed per your will or per the intestate laws on the back end of probate, you can set up your revocable trust, and then you can make sure you're putting your assets in there. But as a safety net, you can set up a pour over will. With a pour over will, it will capture any assets that you forget to put inside of your revocable trust, send them through probate because it's a will, and then at the back end of probate, they will then dump into that revocable trust, and at that point, your trustee can manage and distribute those assets per that trust document instead of a will or intestate laws. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some RT.